Hello everybody and welcome back to another video in which I make mac and cheese. Step 1, wash your hands. Okay, step 2, get your ingredients. Some American cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter. If you're on a diet, use 2. A box of mac and cheese, strainer, pot, and milk. The milk's in the fridge because I don't want it, say bye-bye. Move the ingredients over. You fill a pot up with water. A third full is good. Turn the burner on a high for boiling. Get a lid. Is this the right size lid? Yes. And then wait for it to boil. You're also going to need a spoon to stir with, but this is going to be in the dishwasher. Spoon. Step, I don't know anymore. Open the mac and cheese box. This is hard with gloves on, but oh well. Next, you're going to want to take the cheese packet out. And now we just wait for it to boil. As you can see, water is boiling. So now, what you do is you turn the heat down to medium. You pour the noodles. Move the box out of the way. Stir. And then set a timer for 9 minutes. And make sure to stir periodically. Also, while you wait, go handle the box. Recycle it. And today's my sister's birthday, so happy birthday! Okay, now I have to wait for the noodles to cook. Just make sure you stir it a lot. While you are stirring, make sure you're in the proper attire for making mac and cheese. Like an astronaut suit, because why not? No face reveal yet. This is what I had, and it works. That's the channel thing. Yes! If you're thinking, well, Ned, why don't we just use the instructions on the back of the box? No. Do not use instructions on the back of the box. Also, this is a tutorial for boxed mac and cheese, tutorial for frozen and mac and cheese coming soon. Because on that one, you do actually follow the instructions. Well. Peel the corner. Throw it in the microwave. 4 minutes. Open it all the way except for one corner. Stir. Throw it back in the microwave. 2 minutes. Done. Currently have 2 minutes and 15 seconds left until we're done. Make sure you stir periodically. I'm saying it again because it is very important. You want your noodles to not be stuck to the pan. And now that that we have only 15 minutes left on the clock, we'll begin stirring until it ends. Because you have to stir a lot. At 5 seconds, you can stop. Obtain 1 strainer and 1 timer. Turn off the burner. Strainer in sink. Noodles in strainer. Butter in pot. Oh. It's okay if some of the noodles get left behind. Now we wait butter to melt. Now that the butter is almost melted, you prepare to put the noodles back in. But you wait till the butter's all the way melted. Okay, the butter's all the way melted. Now, give the noodles a good shake. You want to make sure all the water's out of them. And then get them all back in. Give it a stir. Roll in one of these. Obtain 1 pair of scissors. But first we have to wait for the cheese to melt. What are you doing? Once your cheese is melted, obtain 1 cheese packet. Shake 1 cheese packet to get all the cheese to one side. Cut open 1 cheese packet. Dump in contents of 1 cheese packet. Now this is easier done than shown because astronaut logs make everything harder. Throw out the cheese stuff. Obtain milk. Stir the cheese stuff. Then you may be thinking, well, that was just some powder on noodles. Open milk. Of course, it's in a new packet, so. Put in just a tiny bit. Then give it a stir. Keep adding tiny amounts of stirring until you see that all the powder has turned into goo. And at least it's few noodles in the way. Still pretty powdery, so we add more milk. Now that is looking like some good mac and cheese. If you would like it more liquidy or more powdery, just add more or less milk. And there we go. The mac and cheese is ready. Put the milk away because we don't want it going back. Bye-bye from heat. Obtain 1 bowl. Dump in all the contents because, you know, 1 box per person is the proper serving size, even if you don't eat half of it. Final step, enjoy. You might need a spoon or fork. Personally, I prefer a spoon, but if you're uncivilized, you can use a fork. And that is how you make mac and cheese. There's no other way to do it that tastes good. That is how you make mac and cheese. Thank you for watching. Bye.